Today we will be testing a reversal trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a reversal trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 558 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a reversal trading strategy. And so the source video says the only reversal trading strategy that actually works for free. And so, of course, we're going to put that claim to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, we do know that this is a free reversal trading strategy, and so that part of the source video's title is accurate, but as far as it actually working is yet to be known. Like I said, that's what we will be testing. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the turtle trade channels, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings, and under the inputs, we're going to change the entry length to 10, the exit length to 9, jump into the styles, turn off everything except for the exit line, the long, and the short. And you can leave the two background selections as well. Go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the RSI trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we will jump into the settings. And what you're going to want to do is change the RSI length to 12, the RSI length 2 to 21, and the whole trend length to 27. Jump into the styles. And I believe all these are already unchecked. Uncheck the bar color here at the top. Scroll down to the whole RSI trend and the color 0. Make that a vibrant green color and go ahead and click OK. And so for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is a green tag like this here from the turtle trade channels. And then we were going to look down to the RSI trend, and we want it to have a green ribbon like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below the little pivot area formed right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for short trade setup, what we are looking for is we are looking for when we get a short entry tag like this here. We're then going to look down to the RSI trend. We want it to have the kind of magenta reddish colored background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this nice steady push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $15,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $8,000. And so, yes, it's free. Does it actually work? It doesn't appear so. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 44 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $21,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this on the no list and move on to the next video from here.